Hi, I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances, and common question, why is my dishwasher not drying? It's probably a few different things, but the most common thing is you're not using rinse aid. You gotta make sure you use rinse aid. And I mean the liquid separate rinse aid, not just the rinse aid that may be in the pack or the tablet that you may be using. The other thing is you need to make sure you're putting your dishes in dirty. A lot of our new dishwashers have built-in turbidity sensors, so they sense how clean or dirty the wash water is. If your dishes aren't dirty, the temperature's not going to get up high enough, and that temperature typically is used to help dry your dishes. And the last thing is, you got to make sure you select a cycle that will get to a high enough temperature, whether it's an automatic cycle on your dishwasher or whether it's a pots and pans or normal. If you hit a light china and you're putting a lot of dishes in there and you're not using the proper setting, the dishes aren't going to come out dry. I mean, they're just not. That setting is not designed to give you heat. So be sure to check your setting, be sure to make sure you have rinse aid, and be sure to put your dishes in dirty. Get off the big stuff, put them in dirty.